In Ballymanus he worked the land, a farmer's son with steady hand. His brothers swore the redcoats lie, but Billy let the oath pass by. They said he'd never take the field, that men like him were born to yield. But when the crown came down his way, he left the farm and joined the fray. He rode the hills near Vinegar Hill with a pistol and a plan. Through fog and fern he moved with a will at the head of a rebel clan. But it wasn't guns that brought him down, no, it wasn't skill or might. It was whiskey in the wrong man's mouth that gave him up that night. And they said he's just another Fenian boy with dreams on borrowed time, another name on a watch list, now another rebel in the line. But he smiled as they dragged him down, though the shackles bit his skin. I'd do it all again, he said, for the soil that raised my kin. They marched him through the market square with a redcoat left and right, and mothers turned their children's eyes away from such a sight. But one old man stood tall and proud and spat upon the road. For every one you lock away, 10 more will take the load. In a cell down in the Wicklow Gaol he wrote one final line: I wasn't born for silence, I was born to cross the line. And when the dawn came cold and grey, they led him from his bed, and the last thing that he whispered was, tell Ireland I'm not dead. So sing for the Fenian boy with the rope marks on his skin. He never wore a uniform, but he bore his country's sin. And though they took his final breath, they could not make him turn. The land still speaks his rebel name, and it won't forget Billy Byrne.